What's up, guys? Are AI-generated contents banned on YouTube now? Will your faceless video still earn after July 15th, 2025? If you're using AI tools for your YouTube channel, this new update from YouTube might sound scary, but don't worry. In this video, we'll break down what's really changing and how to keep your channel safe and monetized. Starting July 15th, YouTube is updating its partner program policies. The goal? To reduce mass-produced, low-effort content, especially videos that rely entirely on AI with no human input or originality. YouTube calls this AI slop, repeated templates, stock footage, robotic voiceovers, and no real editing or storytelling. Here's the truth: AI content is not banned. You can still use AI-generated avatars, voices, and visuals as long as there is significant human involvement. That means your videos need to include your own script, narration, insight, commentary, or editing. AI is allowed, but lazy content is not. These are the kinds of videos that will no longer qualify for monetization. Fully AI-generated videos with no human voice or storytelling. Repetitive template videos with no editing or originality. Minimal narration, stock visuals, and robotic voices only. If you're just copy-pasting scripts, letting a bot read it, and slapping on stock clips, that won't work anymore. Now here's the good news. If you write your own script, add your own voice or unique narration, edit your video creatively, tell a personal story, or give helpful insights, then your AI-assisted video is still safe and monetizable. YouTube is not against AI. It just wants to reward human creativity behind the tools. Want to keep earning with AI content after the new update? Don't rely on AI alone. Add your own thoughts. Avoid making the same type of video over and over. Use AI tools to enhance, not replace, your creativity. Think of every video as a story, not just a product. So, is AI content banned? No, but it must be transformed, personal, and valuable. The future of YouTube still includes AI, but only if there's a real creator behind the screen. If you want more tips on how to use AI the smart and safe way, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. I'm here to help your channel grow, human touch included. Have a great day, and see you in the next video.